Welcome back, everyone. This is Mike with Door.
Oh, this is so cool. We're going to see another show from Door and Lock Tips. This is too cool. Please subscribe to my channel, Door and Lock Tips, and you're going to learn about locksmithing. And if you need to advertise, I think we do. Yeah, let's get into the show. Please subscribe. Tell your friends for more door and lock tips like this.
So let's get into this little video. This is going to be fun. And you make the decision. I want some comments. Tell me if advertising a big difference in your point of view on if I'm a locksmith.